Hey guys, my name is Ilya and today I'm gonna show you a little review of Z30 Concepts side blinkers. Here's how it looks like. I'm gonna do a review and then I'm gonna show the installation process and also how the final product looks like. The unit itself is like it's 3-piece unit. The black part is just a plastic one. Here is, you can see it's plexiglass, and it has a nice, I don't know how it's called, stretch onto it, so to avoid scratches. And then you have the control unit itself with the inside. In order to install it, the only thing you need to do is, and by the way, this is the 1994 Toyota Soarer with 1JZ GTE in it. So in order to install it, the only thing you need to do is to turn your wheel all the way to the left in order to install the right side blinkers. And then you need to unclip the fender, and then inside you need to unscrew the two nuts. It's the same construction, so these two nuts. Unfortunately, my factory side blinker has just one nut in it, and this one is broken. So I'm gonna unscrew it. I'm not gonna show the process, but basically just squeeze your arm inside, and then you just feel the nut. Feel the nut. Nice. The factory blinkers is out. As I said, it was mounted on two bolts. This side is a little bit more challenging than the other side because I have turbo pipes really close to the side blinkers, so it's not a lot of room for the arm to unscrew it. The cool part about this blinker is that you just take out this factory bulb, and then you insert this plug into it like that. Then you just insert this thing into the blinker, Z30 Concept blinker, and it should just work. I'm gonna plug it off camera. I took out the bulb and inserted the plug. I'm gonna go and enable emergency, how it's called, emergency thing on. And it blinks. I thought that this is symmetrical, but it goes that way, but if you flip it, it doesn't fit. If you face this issue during installation, then just don't force it. Try to rotate it, and then it should slide very easily. And let's do the nice part. So everything is installed. Nice. I'm sorry about the bumper state. My Soarer kinda felt off the clip. I'm gonna insert a picture. It looks really nice, I would say. I did the other side of camera. The only thing which I don't like about this one, as you can see, if you pay close attention, the side blinker kinda blinks faster than the blinker inside the headlight. So I think this is because this one is using LED and this one is using just old style bulbs. So I guess after you change this one, it's gonna blink with the same frequency. I think the price is real nice. It's 80 bucks, and even here in Russia it cost, the original factory blinkers cost about 50-60 bucks. So I would say it's real nice upgrade, or not upgrade, like if your blinkers for some reason is broken. For example, mine was. The one side was okay, but the other side was cracked. I'm not sure was it me or the previous owner, but yeah, the thing is that they tend to be real expensive right now. So I would say this is a real good alternative, and it looks nice, in my opinion. For now, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.